Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to cover SWOT analysis. SWOT, SWOT. This is a very important concept whether you are working professional or you are applying for jobs. बहुत बार इंटरव्यू में भी ये सवाल पूछा जाता है that do a SWOT analysis on yourself. In this session मैं बताऊंगी what is SWOT, how to do a SWOT analysis with examples. So stay tuned. Okay, so SWOT का full form होता है strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. To do a SWOT analysis, you need to do a 2x2 matrix. एक horizontal और एक vertical line. S stands for strength. आपकी ताकत क्या है? What is the power inside you that will help you to succeed? For example, एक company के लिए it can be a strong brand name, a loyal customer base, positive feedback on products. W stands for weakness. आपकी कमजोरी क्या है? Something that will make it difficult for you to achieve success in that state, such as loan from the market, not having adequate staff, not having enough trained staff, not having enough funds to run the company. So all these are weaknesses. O stands for opportunity, avsar, and this is always external to you, such as government may announce tax incentives that can help you to run your organization. The demand of your category in the market may suddenly shoot up, or a popular celebrity may decide to endorse you. So all these are opportunities that you can build upon for a successful outcome. Threat. T stands for threat, which means khatra. Suddenly, the demand of your product can fall. Extra tax may be levied by the government. You may have increased competition for the same product, same category. All these are threats. Always remember, strength and weakness are internal to the company or to you. Opportunity and threat are external, that come from outside environment that you may or may not be able to control directly. Now I will cover one example which is very commonly asked in interviews. Why don't you do a SWOT analysis on yourself? To do this, I will make a 2x2 matrix and I will put the heading strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Strength, you can say I have very strong communication skills, very good work ethics, I am a very hardworking individual, I handle customers well. What are your weaknesses? Whenever you are giving an interview, a weakness is something that can always be converted to a strength. Never ever tell a weakness which is permanent in nature. So things like I have low tech skills. Skills can be developed, right? So that can be a weakness. I don't have great communication skills. Again, can be improved. So name a skill that can be worked upon. So in weakness, I am going to say I have less experience on this particular technology, but I am building it by learning, doing courses, attending seminars, etc. And I am very confident that very soon I will build this skill as well. Then opportunity. Because of my strong customer handling skills and hard work, I am able to convert leads into sales. I am able to help my customers drive a decision point or find products that are relevant to them. Now you have converted your strength into an opportunity that will generate business for the organization. Then we come to threats. Because I have low skills on this product which I am building, there is a possibility that I may not be able to answer all the queries from customer. There is a possibility that I may have to refer to experts to deliver a particular task. That is a threat. But I'm building on it, I'm learning these skills, and very soon I will be an expert in. Now we will cover another example where you may be asked to do a SWOT analysis on a product. So let's say I want to launch a product, give me a SWOT analysis of that. Or I have so and so XYZ company or department, give me a SWOT analysis of it. Strength. The strength of this company is world-class customer service. People trust our brand. They give great feedback. We have good repeat buyers. So that's our strength. Weakness could be we have low visibility on our website. We don't have a strong e-commerce presence, due to which our online transactions are much lesser than the market average. And what will be the opportunity in this case? Because we have strong brand, loyal customers and a great product, we will run online ads on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram to convert the low sales online in e-commerce to high sales. We will improve the visibility of our website. And then comes the threat. Threat could be a lot of competitors in this category, or we have competitors who are online only products and they are eating away our sales. It has SWOT, but many people end here. SWOT has a fifth dimension that many of us miss when we answer our questions. The fifth dimension of SWOT is actionable strategies. अब आपने analysis तो कर लिया, सब कुछ लिख लिया, but what is it that you will take action to improve the outcome, right? So based on the strength, weakness, opportunity and threat, sit down with your team and prepare what are the 2-3 things that need focus, what is the actionable plan for the next 3 months to convert the outcome into successful. That's all on SWOT. Stay tuned for more such videos.